What is an assumable mortgage? An assumable mortgage is when a buyer takes over the seller's existing mortgage instead of getting a new one. Here is how it works. The seller has a mortgage on a property that can be transferred to the buyer. The buyer agrees to take on the seller's mortgage, including the balance, interest rate, and repayment terms. The buyer needs to meet the lender's requirement to assume the mortgage, like having good credit and financial stability. Both the buyer and seller sign an agreement, and the lender may need some paperwork for approval. Assuming a mortgage can be a good option for buyers because it can mean lower interest rates and saving on closing costs. But it is important for buyers to understand the terms of the mortgage they are taking over. Remember, not all mortgages can be assumed, so it's important to check with the lender to see if it is possible. Now, which types of loans allow assumable mortgages? Assumable mortgages are typically found in specific types of loans. Here are some loan programs that commonly allow for assumable mortgages. FHA loans or Federal Housing Administration. FHA loans often have provisions that allow the buyer to assume the existing FHA loan terms. VA loans or the Department of Veterans Affairs. VA loans may also offer assumable features, usually with approval from both the VA and the lender. USDA loans or the United States Department of Agriculture. Certain USDA loans may have assumable options, but it is important to verify this with the specific loan program and lender. Some conventional loans. While not as common, there are conventional loans that may allow for assumable mortgages. However, this can vary depending on the lender and specific loan terms. It's essential to note that even if a loan is assumable, the buyer must still meet the lender's qualification and requirements. Additionally, the lender may charge a fee for processing the assumption. To determine if a particular loan allows for an assumable mortgage, it is best to consult with the lender directly and carefully review the loan documentation.